Okay, this is it guys. Your search for a perfect budget smartwatch ends today. We've got a brand new model from TAG and this one looks like the universal solution for all your requirements. I mean, it's got AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling is there, digital crown is also available, IP67 and whatnot. It's like feature loaded guys at a very affordable price tag. So TAG has launched this all new model called as Verve Connect Ultra and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. The watch comes in this sort of box packaging. At the back side you've got all of its main specs and highlights. As I've told you, it comes with like a big 1.78-inch AMOLED display, that too with always on display support, has Bluetooth calling, IP67 rating, plenty of sports and fitness related stuff, and also has like other unique features like password lock protection as well. As usual, packaging looks pretty nice, nothing less expected from TAG. And here's our brand new smartwatch guys, the Verve Connect Ultra, and it's available in a couple of different colors. We have the silver edition with white straps in the house. Look at this. Watch looks quite beautiful, right? We'll just come back to this in a moment. Looks like the body and the straps come separately packed in the box, and there you go. These are the straps for the smartwatch, and quality of the straps also look pretty good. And lastly, in the package you get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging and some paperwork. That's it. Just make sure to read that. Now let me give you like a closer look at the smartwatch and talk about the design and build quality. So Verve Connect Ultra is a squarish form factor smartwatch from TAG, and this is how it looks like. Initial impressions, I have to say, smartwatch looks quite premium guys. I mean, look at the whole design. It sort of looks like Apple Watch with the whole crown on the right side, and build quality also looks pretty nice. Looks like the entire body, the watch case, is made of metal and definitely gives you that royal look and feel. Now talking about the controls, there's a crown on the right side and it's actually like smart digital crown. You can do a lot of things using it. I'll show you all of that in this video. Below that looks like you've got like a multifunction button, and in between that you've got the microphone. And where might be the speaker? Okay, we've got the speaker on the left side as you can see, and that is pretty much it. Going to the back side, here's how the watch looks like. Beautiful black glossy sort of finish, and you've got some sensors at the center, charging contacts, and some details about the watch. Now coming down to the straps, as usual guys, TAG offers some very good quality straps. They feel soft and durable, and good thing is they're also replaceable. You can customize and tweak as per your requirement. So that's it, our complete overview on design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll use the watch for a few days and then be right back to continue the video. Alright, I'm back to continue the video. So I've been using this smartwatch for the last few days, and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback on this model. First of all, let's talk about the display quality guys. So as I've told you at the beginning, Verve Connect Ultra comes with like a beautiful 1.78-inch AMOLED display, and there is nothing less you can expect over here. Top notch display, I can say guys. It's got good amount of detail thanks to that high resolution display. It's got a resolution of around 368 by 448, and everything looks crisp and clear at this size guys, no matter what sort of content, either it be text or messages or anything. And look at these colors just pop out on the screen thanks to that AMOLED panel. And if you talk about the viewing angles are also excellent, and brightness was also like pretty good guys. It's got around like 600 nits of brightness, and it's visible even in like bright outdoor situations, even under like direct sunlight. No issues anywhere. So you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display. And apart from that, yes, the smartwatch also has like always on display support. Two options are there. You can either set it to like analog style or digital style as per your convenience. And apart from that, yes, it does have raise to wake function as well, but only one of these functions works at a time. For example, you've turned AOD on, then raise to wake function is like automatically disabled. If you turn this off, raise to wake function will be enabled. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. And this is how the AOD on it looks like. Right now it's in the analog style, and the brightness is a bit on the dim side only to conserve and offer better battery life. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll just power it on and show you all the menu, built-in apps and features, and also the UI. But main highlight I have to talk about on this smartwatch is this crown function on the right side guys. It's got like a smart, fully functional digital crown, and using this you can completely interact with the smartwatch. For example, you can navigate through the UI, change the watch faces, you can scroll in the menu list and a lot of stuff. And digital crown feature was working very well guys. I mean, the whole feedback and the vibration sort of feel that it gives you while using is pretty awesome actually. It doesn't feel like a budget category smartwatch at all. I mean, look at this. You can use a crown to change the watch faces like on the go guys. guys, no need of hassling through touch gestures. For example, look at this app list over here. You can use the crown function to like scroll through the list. Like, how cool is that? Pretty awesome, right? Anyways, what I'll do is I'll just show you the home screen and stuff. And let me tell you, talking about the watch faces, Verve Connect Ultra comes with like 8 to 9 watch faces like pre-installed from the factory. And not to worry, you can download even more watch faces also using tags compatible app. It supports almost like 150 or 200 plus cloud-based watch faces, and there's plenty of options to choose from. And swiping down on the home screen now gives you like a quick access to your status panel. Here it shows you current battery level, Bluetooth connectivity status, and offers some quick toggles as well. You can directly adjust the brightness, set the watch ringer mode, and you can even check out your weather analysis, current day's weather and stuff like that. Now swiping up on the home screen gives you your notification panel. Here you can check out all your recently received messages or maybe like app notifications. Again, for this though, you'll definitely need to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and have to be installed that tags compatible app on the phone. Though unfortunately you can only check out the content of the message and name of the sender, but there is no option to like reply to these messages from the smartwatch. And by swiping right on the home screen, you can access like a quick menu, guys. Here it offers you a couple of things. For example, you can check out today's weather, HR data, SPO2 data, and also a couple of other stuff. Now, for example, you want to access like more in-depth widgets. You can do that by swiping left on the home screen. This is your current day's fitness level. For example, how many steps you've taken, distance traveled, and calories burned. If you want like a detailed analysis and summary, you can check it out on tags compatible app on the phone. Moving on, you've got your sleep data analysis, 24/7 HR monitoring, blood oxygen, SPO2 is also there. And this one is your Bluetooth calling feature. I've told you, right? Watch supports like onboard microphone and speaker, and you can literally dial in a number and talk to that person from the smartwatch only. No need to even take out your phone from the pocket. So all of these are there. Voice assistant trigger is also there. Works with both Siri, Google Assistant, and weather panel. And you can even customize and add your own favorite widgets by clicking this plus icon. And that's it, complete overview on the widgets and home screen. Now suppose if you want to access a complete list of apps present on it, you can do that by clicking on this digital crown function. There you go, you got the complete list available over here. Now let me tell you, the whole list is like very similar to the recent tag watches we've covered. You've got all your fitness and health related stuff available. It's got like 24/7 HR monitoring, sleep data analysis, SPO2 is there, plenty of stuff, and all your other smartwatch related applications are also available. For example, alarms, timers, stopwatch, all of these are available, and remote camera shutter, remote music player is also there, and built-in calculator is also available, guys, and also has like a couple of games like Flappy Bird and 2048, and games are also like working well. So that is it, guys. These are all the available built-in apps and features. It's got like A to Z all smartwatch related general features and functions available on this model. And lastly, in the settings side, you can do a couple of things like adjust display brightness, change the watch face, auto sleep settings, and you also have like call alert mode. For example, you can either set it to like ringer mode, vibrate plus ring, or you can entirely turn it off. Choice is up to you. And there's also a special low power mode available because these days Bluetooth calling smartwatches have a bit of limited battery life, right? So if you want to extend in sort of emergencies, you can do that by enabling low power mode, and this will offer you like extra 20% juice whenever required. And that's it, our complete overview on the built-in apps and features. And if you talk about the performance of the watch is also pretty good. So far as you've seen, right, the whole navigation, opening, closing of apps, everything was quite smooth, guys. I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters during my usage. Now let me tell you about the health related features. So just like any other tag smartwatch, this one also has like full health related applications available. 24/7 HR monitoring is there, sleep data analysis, blood oxygen, SPO2, breathing exercises, all of these are available, including female health tracking. And during my usage, I felt the sensors were doing a good job and giving accurate results almost 95% of the time. Alright, moving on, let's talk about the Bluetooth calling feature. So Connect Ultra definitely has Bluetooth calling. It's got like onboard microphone and speaker, and you can literally dial in any number and talk to that person through this smartwatch. No need to even take out your phone from your pocket. So here's how you can access the application. You've got your recent call history available, dialer pad is also there, favorite contact list is also available for one tap Bluetooth calling to that person, or you can literally just dial in any number and place your call and talk to that person. And during my usage, I felt the microphone quality on the smartwatch was pretty good, guys. The other person was able to clearly hear and understand what I was speaking. And noise was also like quite minimum. And if you talk about the speaker quality was also pretty good. Tag has definitely taken my feedback and improved the speaker quality compared to their previous model, and now it sounds much more clear and also a bit louder, and definitely quite audible indoors. Now talking about the outdoor experience, now that completely depends on the environment, guys. For example, if there is a lot of traffic noise or disturbing sounds, there it might be a bit difficult to understand, but indoors it was like absolutely fine, no sort of issues. Let me just dial in some number and show you how the speaker quality on it sounds like.
మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ సరైనది కాదు, దయచేసి మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ని సరిచూసుకోండి. The number you have dialed is invalid. Please check the number you have dialed.
There's one more interesting feature I actually forgot to show you, and that is password lock protection. So just like how your smartphone has a lock screen, right? You can even set like a password lock for your smartwatch so that no information gets leaked out in case if you miss your smartwatch. So once you enable it from the setting, right? So whenever you want to access or the display turns on, it actually asks for your password, and once you type in that password, then only the smartwatch unlocks and you can access all of its menu or apps or any sort of data present on this thing. Super useful and really good feature. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. Battery life on Bluetooth calling smartwatches is kind of mediocre, guys. Same was the case over here. See, if you're like a moderate sort of user and you set the brightness to around like 60-65%, you do a bit of physical activity, sport activity tracking, health related stuff, then you can expect around like 6 to 7 days of battery life. But if you're like a very heavy user, you use that Bluetooth calling feature a lot daily, brightness also set around like 75%, and also like 24/7 HR monitoring, then you can only expect around like 1 day of battery life. But not to worry, it does have like a special low power mode feature, guys, and in case of emergencies, when you want the battery juice to be extended, you can enable that and get up to like extra 20% juice out of the smartwatch. So that's it, our video on Tag's all new Verve Connect Ultra smartwatch. Beautiful smartwatch at this price point, guys. Killer specs, I can say, especially that AMOLED display. You're getting Bluetooth calling feature. It's IP67 rated, dust and water resistant, and basically it's got like everything that you would need on a smartwatch. Only thing I felt is battery life is a bit limited, and apart from that, rest everything else was great. Talking about the price, see, Tag is actually having like a special launch price offer. So for a limited time period only, it will be available for 3,499 rupees. Later, it will go back to its sale price of around 3,999 rupees. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So what do you think about the smartwatch? Let me know your thoughts. And if you all enjoyed the video and got to know everything about this model, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.